Have you ever noticed how some people seem to be mosquito magnets, while others escape almost completely unscathed? It can be so frustrating to sit outside and feel like you're the only one getting bitten. But what if I told you there's a fascinating science behind why mosquitoes are so drawn to certain people? Welcome to Bugs, Buzz, and Beyond, where today we're uncovering the mystery of why mosquitoes love to bite and how you can stop them from making you their next snack. Before we dive into what makes some people so irresistible to mosquitoes, let's talk about why these tiny insects bite in the first place. The truth is, not all mosquitoes bite. Only female mosquitoes need blood. And it's not because they're particularly aggressive, but because they need the nutrients in the blood, especially iron and protein, to produce their eggs. Without it, they wouldn't be able to reproduce. After a successful meal, a female mosquito can lay hundreds of eggs, typically in stagnant or slow-moving water, like puddles or ponds. This is why you'll often notice mosquitoes buzzing around water sources. Those are prime mosquito breeding grounds. And while the males don't bite, they stick to feeding on nectar, contributing to pollination like other insects. Now, on to the big question. How do mosquitoes find you so easily? These tiny insects may seem like simple creatures, but when it comes to tracking down their next meal, they are highly sophisticated hunters. Mosquitoes rely on a combination of their sharp sense of smell, visual cues, and even body heat to locate their targets. It's quite impressive, really. The number one signal that tells mosquitoes you're nearby is carbon dioxide. Every time we exhale, we release CO2, and mosquitoes can detect that gas from up to 100 feet away. That's right, just by breathing, you're essentially sending out a mosquito invitation. The more CO2 you produce, the more attractive you become. This is one of the reasons why people who are physically larger or those who are exercising often get bitten more. They're exhaling more carbon dioxide, making them prime targets. But it doesn't stop there. Mosquitoes are also drawn to body heat and certain chemicals found in our sweat, like lactic acid. When you exercise or simply heat up, your body gives off more of these signals. Combine this with their ability to detect heat, and mosquitoes are masters at honing in on the warmest, sweatiest parts of your body. So if you've ever wondered why you get bitten more after a workout, well, now you know. If you've ever been in a group and noticed that mosquitoes seem to prefer you over everyone else, you're not imagining it. There's actually a scientific reason why some people are more attractive to mosquitoes than others. It's not just about how much carbon dioxide you exhale or how sweaty you are. There's more at play. Blood type is a big factor. Studies have shown that people with type O blood are significantly more attractive to mosquitoes than people with type A or B blood. It turns out that mosquitoes seem to have a preference for the flavor of your blood. And if you're type O, you're basically like a gourmet meal to them. The bacteria on your skin also play a role in determining how much attention you get from mosquitoes. Our bodies naturally host billions of bacteria, and the chemical compounds they produce can either attract or repel mosquitoes. If your skin has a certain type of bacteria that mosquitoes like. You'll get bitten more. And, fun fact, if you're wearing certain floral or fruity perfumes, lotions, or deodorants, you're making yourself even more appetizing to mosquitoes. It's like adding a sweet topping to an already delicious treat. But don't worry. You don't have to resign yourself to being a mosquito's favorite snack. There are plenty of ways to reduce your chances of being bitten. And with a few simple changes, you can enjoy your time outdoors without being eaten alive. First, make sure to use an effective mosquito repellent. Products that contain DEET, picaridin, or oil of lemon eucalyptus have been proven to be highly effective at keeping mosquitoes away. These repellents work by interfering with mosquitoes' ability to detect the chemicals that draw them to us, essentially masking your presence. Next, covering up can make a big difference. Wearing long sleeves and pants can help protect your skin from bites, especially during dawn and dusk when mosquitoes are most active. Light-colored clothing can also make you less visible to mosquitoes, as they tend to be attracted to darker hues. And don't forget about your environment. Mosquitoes lay their eggs in standing water, so one of the best ways to reduce their presence is to eliminate breeding grounds around your home. Regularly empty bird baths, clean out gutters, and check any outdoor containers to prevent water from collecting. By doing this, you're cutting off their life cycle and reducing the number of mosquitoes in your area. Now that you know the science behind why mosquitoes are so drawn to certain people, you can outsmart these pesky little bugs. Armed with this knowledge, you can reduce your risk of getting bitten and enjoy the outdoors without constantly swatting away mosquitoes. Thanks for joining us on Bugs, Buzz, and Beyond. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on more bug-filled adventures. Until next time,